Legal professionals who use Custody Exchange have extra capabilities. For starters, this is your client list. To get here, click the leftmost blue tab. It displays the name of the client you currently have selected. From this screen, you can select a different client to work on, archive old clients, and more. Let's add a new client, Liam. I can enter his email address to share with him. He'll get a free 1-year subscription so we can collaborate. I'll explain more about sharing in a moment. With this button, you can apply an existing client's parenting plans and calendars so you don't have to start from scratch. If you do this, remember to go in later and change any details that don't apply to the new client. You can see I've actually named a client Template for Joint Custody because I use it often as my starting point. Once you enter a client, you're taken to their settings. Here you can enter their case information and choose to calculate parenting time by hour or overnight. This is different from your account settings, where you can adjust your own information, your notifications, and your subscription. In account settings, you can also set up or manage a professional group. If you're a group administrator, on this page you can buy additional licenses, invite new members, and change a member's account type. This is what your client list looks like once you've joined a group. Now you can see your colleagues and their clients. You can work on any client, and if you're an admin, you can reassign a client to a different group member. If you didn't enter your client's email when you first set them up, share with them at any time by clicking here. Remember, they'll get a free year of Custody Exchange. This updated label will show when they've made changes or when their linked co-parent has. Click the client, then this bell to see the changes. You can choose to be notified by email and on your phone as well. Your client will also receive notifications when you make changes. To work on a client, select their name, then the tool you want to use. For example, I could work on Sarah's calendars or parenting plans. These other tools are designed for clients to enter information. Then you can make edits and print as needed. For instance, the Messages tab is a space for co-parents to write each other. You can read, organize, and export their messages. That's how to use Custody Exchange to make your work as a legal professional easier. If you have questions, visit custodyexchange.com/help or contact us in the app.